What's up, guys? Today we're checking out Epson EcoTank ET 2800, an all-in-one Supertank color printer that's basically designed to destroy everything you know about typical home printing. The first thing you'll notice is there are no cartridges. Instead of those annoying little expensive ink cartridges you replace every few weeks, this printer uses refillable ink tanks. And these bottles, each one is equivalent to around 80 cartridges. That's wild. And it's not just about convenience. Epson says you can save up to 90% on ink compared to traditional cartridges. That's up to 4,500 black and white pages, or 7,500 color pages, before you even think about refilling. It's also got full-on mobile printing support, Android, iOS, Epson's app, so you can send a doc to print from your phone across the room or across town. In terms of speed, it's solid. Up to 10 black and white pages per minute and 5 color pages per minute. Fast enough for most home or small office needs. This printer also features Epson's micro piezo heat-free technology, which means more precise prints, less energy use, and better longevity, all without heating elements. I'm into it, and because you're not throwing out dozens of cartridges, you're helping keep plastic waste out of landfills, so you save money and feel better about it. Spec-wise, you're getting 5760 by 1440 dpi print resolution, a flatbed scanner built-in, LCD display for quick access, support for printing on envelopes, plain paper, glossy photo paper, and a compact build at just 11.4 pounds and 14.8 by 22.8 by 10 inches. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance, cost-saving, cartridge-free color printer, the EcoTank ET 2800 definitely delivers. Whether it's documents, photos, or full reports, this thing is built to run stress-free for years. Links below if you want to check it out, and let me know in the comments. Is cartridge-free the future of printing? Until next time, thanks for watching,